Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. We will be comparing two popular robot vacuums, the Tikom Robot Vacuum and the iRobot Roomba Combo J5 This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons. Let's dive into the details and find out which one is the best fit for you. Let's start with the Tikom Robot Vacuum. Priced at $299, this robot vacuum offers a 2-in-1 sweeping and mopping feature, allowing you to enjoy a completely clean home. With its Gyroscope Smart Navigation, the G8000 model follows an efficient zig-zag path, improving cleaning efficiency by 30% compared to random path robotic vacuums. Its 2700 PA suction power is ideal for short and medium pile carpets as well as hardwood floors. The G8000 also comes with an app, voice, and remote control compatibility, making it convenient to operate. Additionally, it has carpet boost technology for deeper cleaning and boundary strips to set no-go areas. Now let's move on to the iRobot Roomba Combo J5 Priced at $799, this vacuum offers the same powerful vacuum technology as the Roomba J7 but with the added capability of mopping. With the simple switch of a bin, you can convert it into a vacuum and mop solution. The Roomba Combo J5 features a powerful 4-stage cleaning system that pulls in dirt, debris, and pet hair from wherever it hides. It also includes proprietary dirt detect technology, which allows the robot to detect dirtier areas and clean them more thoroughly. One standout feature is its ability to automatically empty its bin for up to 60 days, giving you 2 whole months of worry-free cleaning. The Roomba Combo J5 also knows what to clean and what to avoid, making it great for pet owners. It even has a pet owner official promise, where it will steer clear of your pet's waste or be replaced for free. Furthermore, it can be easily transformed into a robot vacuum and mop, leaving your hard floors shiny and dust-free. Let's compare the cleaning features of these two robot vacuums. The Tikom Robot Vacuum offers a 2-in-1 sweeping and mopping capability, allowing for a thorough clean. It has a Gyroscope Smart Navigation system, ensuring efficient cleaning with a 30% improvement in cleaning efficiency compared to random path robotic vacuums. On the other hand, the iRobot Roomba Combo J5 provides a comprehensive clean with its powerful 4-stage cleaning system, pulling in dirt, debris, and pet hair. It also includes proprietary dirt detect technology, which focuses on dirtier areas for a more thorough clean. When it comes to convenience, both robot vacuums offer app and voice control compatibility. The Tikom Robot Vacuum can be controlled via its app and connected to Alexa and Google Home. It also comes with a remote control for easy operation. The iRobot Roomba Combo J5 with its iRobot Home app allows you to create no mop zones, ensuring that it avoids mopping carpets and keeps them dry. Now let's talk about the price. The Tikom Robot Vacuum is priced at $299, while the iRobot Roomba Combo J5 comes with a higher price tag of $799. It's important to consider your budget and the additional features offered by each vacuum before making a decision. Based on online reviews, the Tikom Robot Vacuum is praised for its versatile 2-in-1 sweeping and mopping feature, efficient cleaning with Gyroscope Smart Navigation, and convenient app and voice control compatibility. On the other hand, the iRobot Roomba Combo J5 is highly regarded for its powerful 4-stage cleaning system, comprehensive cleaning performance with dirt detect technology, and the added convenience of automatic bin emptying. Overall, both vacuums have received positive reviews for their respective features. And there you have it, the comparison between the Tikom Robot Vacuum and the iRobot Roomba Combo J5 Both vacuums offer unique features that cater to different needs. The Tikom Robot Vacuum provides a 2-in-1 sweeping and mopping feature, while the iRobot Roomba Combo J5 offers powerful cleaning performance and the convenience of automatic bin emptying. Remember to consider your cleaning requirements and budget before making your final decision. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Let us know in the comments which product you would choose. Thank you for watching Buy Smart, and we'll see you in the next video.